Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. 2025 is here, and one of the most highly anticipated products from Apple this year is undoubtedly the MacBook Air featuring the all-new M4 chip. Today, I'm going to break down everything we know about this new MacBook Air, diving into its design, specs, performance, expected release date, and pricing. But before we talk about what's coming, let's take a quick look back at how the MacBook Air has evolved over the past few years. The evolution of the MacBook Air. The MacBook Air has been one of Apple's most iconic laptops, and it became even more exciting with the introduction of Apple Silicon. Over the past 3 generations, the MacBook Air has seen some incredible advancements. 2020. The M1 revolution. The introduction of Apple Silicon with the M1 chip was a game-changer. It brought unmatched performance, incredible battery life, and a fanless design. 2022. A new era with the M2 chip. The M2 MacBook Air introduced a brand new design with slimmer bezels, MagSafe charging, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, and 4 striking colors. It was a major overhaul that redefined what we expect from the MacBook Air. 2023. A larger option with the 15-inch MacBook Air. Apple expanded the lineup with a 15-inch version, offering the same features as the 13-inch model but with a larger display. This made the Air a more attractive option for users needing more screen real estate without stepping into the Pro territory. 2024. M3 brings refinement. Last year, Apple added the M3 chip to the MacBook Air lineup. While it brought better performance and efficiency, many were disappointed that the base model still offered just 8 GB of RAM, a limitation for power users. However, by the end of the year, Apple updated the base RAM to 16 GB, making it a more attractive buy. What's new with the M4 MacBook Air? The MacBook Air with the M4 chip is set to build upon the success of its predecessors while introducing meaningful upgrades in performance, efficiency, and usability. Here's everything we know so far. 1. M4 chip performance. The M4 chip is the latest in Apple's Silicon lineup, and it promises significant improvements over the M3. CPU configurations. The base 13-inch model will likely feature a 9-core CPU, 6 efficiency cores and 3 performance cores. The 15-inch model will have a 10-core CPU, 6 efficiency cores and 4 performance cores. GPU configurations. Both models are expected to come with a 10-core GPU as standard, offering a noticeable boost in graphics performance. This setup will make the MacBook Air more than capable of handling demanding tasks, from 4K video editing to casual gaming. 2. RAM and storage options. Apple made a significant move by upgrading the base RAM in the MacBook Air lineup last year, and the M4 models will continue this trend. Base RAM. 16 GB. Upgradable RAM. 24 GB. While the 32 GB RAM option remains exclusive to the Pro models, 16 GB as a baseline ensures that even the most basic configuration offers excellent multitasking capabilities. As for storage, it's expected that the base models will still start with 256 GB, with options to upgrade to 512 GB, 1 TB, or 2 TB. 3. Design and display. No major design changes are expected this year, but here's what we'll continue to see. Thin and light design. The MacBook Air will remain one of the slimmest laptops in the market. Liquid Retina display. Both the 13-inch and 15-inch models will feature sharp, vibrant displays, but promotion, 120Hz refresh rate, and OLED technology are unlikely to be included this year. Color options. Expect the usual lineup: Midnight, Starlight, Space Gray, and Silver, with a potential new color option as a surprise. 4. Battery life. With the efficiency improvements of the M4 chip, the battery life is expected to increase by 1 to 2 hours compared to the M3 models. This means up to 20 hours of usage for the 13-inch model, up to 18 hours for the 15-inch model. Pricing and release date. Pricing. The pricing for the M4 MacBook Air is expected to remain consistent with the M3 models, which is excellent news for potential buyers. 13-inch MacBook Air, starting at $1,199. 15-inch MacBook Air, starting at $1,299. Meanwhile, the M3 MacBook Air models will likely see price drops, making them a great option for budget-conscious users. Release date. There are 2 possible scenarios for the launch. Soft release. Apple may choose to launch the M4 MacBook Air via a press release, similar to the M3 MacBook Air's release on March 3, 2024. If this happens, expect the M4 models to arrive in early March 2025. Spring event. With rumors of new products like the iPhone SE 4, updated AirTags, and possibly a new Apple Watch, Apple might hold a spring event in March or April 2025, with the MacBook Air as one of the highlights. Why the MacBook Air with M4 chip is worth the wait. The MacBook Air has always been Apple's most popular MacBook line, thanks to its perfect balance of portability, power, and price. The M4 MacBook Air will continue this tradition with improved performance and efficiency, better multitasking capabilities with 16GB RAM as the base option, longer battery life. It's a worthy upgrade for anyone using an older MacBook or even the M1/M2 models. Final thoughts. The MacBook Air with the M4 chip is shaping up to be one of the best laptops of 2025. Whether you're looking for portability, power, or battery life, this new MacBook Air will likely tick all the boxes. Are you planning to get one? Will you go for the 13-inch or 15-inch model? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all the latest Apple news, reviews, and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.